Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks so much for joining us. We really appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, like this video, leave us a comment. We like to hear from you and we like to hear who you want us to draw. So today we are going to draw Caitlin Clark, professional women's basketball player. Caitlin Clark was the NCAA Division I all-time scoring leader, one of the greatest and most popular women's basketball players of all time, really. So we're going to do Caitlin Clark in her college uniform, the Iowa Hawkeyes. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and we'll do Caitlin Clark's head up here. We're going to get our dark marker, the pointed tip, and we are going to do, Caitlin Clark has kind of a skinnier face shape, so let's come down to the chin, round that chin off, up, and straight up. Okay, we're gonna round this arch. This is gonna be for her forehead area. We'll do a little ear, on the side. We'll do a arch for the eye, arch for the other eye. Okay, come down and connect, down and connect. An arch for the eyebrow, an arch for the other eyebrow, and we're going to do a circle on the inside, and we're going to leave a white dot. So I colored in the eye and I left a white mark. That's the highlight of the eye. Let's do a couple of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are eyelashes. 1, 2, 3 on the corners, 1, 2, 3 on the corners, small eyelashes. And we are going to draw, kind of thicken up these eyebrows a little bit. Just add a little thickness to them. Now, she has a skinnier nose, so we're going to come down, a long skinny nose, a little U shape here. Up, up. Okay. Now let's do a smile. It's gonna be kind of this up and up. So it starts low and then it comes up. She's got kind of a unique smile. Come down, flat, and connect up. Just a couple of smile lines. She's got a dimple over here, a dimple over here, maybe a line for the lip. Okay, maybe a line for the chin. All right, let's do the head, so the hair. We'll do a big arch, up, and another arch. This is gonna be the headband. The headband is gonna be right there. We'll color it yellow for like Hawkeye's yellow. We'll do a bump, and her ponytail is gonna come up and out and bump out like that. And come into her face and stop. Okay, let's do a neck. Come down, down, go down to a V, a longer V. Angle, angle for the jersey. Arch, arch for the jersey. Angle down to the waist. Come across. Angle down to the waist. All right, so we have the torso. Let's do a big oversized basketball. Big circle. And we'll do 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers over here. And we'll do her arm bumping out. That shoulder bumps out. And this arm kind of hides behind that basketball. Bump and hide behind that basketball, and we'll color this area in underneath her jersey. All right, so maybe she's calling a play. We'll do her, bring her arm up, bump down to the elbow, up to the wrist, her thumb. She'll be calling the play number 3. Actually, maybe the play number 2. We'll do play number 2. All right, let's do the shorts. Angle down, come across, up, down, angle across, and connect at the waist. A couple of long legs. They start wide at the shorts and come down a little skinny down to the ankle, okay? Start wide at the shorts, angle down, wide at the shorts and angle down, and connect at the ankle, okay? Let's do some oversized shoes for these basketball players. We like to exaggerate the shoes, so we'll bump up for the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Bring her big shoe out to the side. Come straight across. We're gonna stop at the ankle area and connect. Bring this ankle down, or the heel down. Come straight across to the other side of the page. Up and connect to the shoelaces. Awesome, looking good. We have Caitlin Clark pretty much filled out here. And what we're gonna do is I'm going to color the inside corners of the mouth, fill those in with black, and then just add a little bit of black to make her teeth stand out. Cool, we have a good looking basketball player, Caitlin Clark. So what we're gonna do is now I'm going to get my yellow, okay? And I'm gonna do the number 22, the best I can. These are gonna be small, but the best we can. And if you need to stop or pause on these numbers are a little challenging, especially Iowa. They have these fun little shapes. Okay, there's one. All right, and now we have a yellow stripe along the side. Comes across, a yellow stripe along this side, straight across. We have a yellow stripe on the neck. And then the yellow stripe that comes down the side of the... So we're gonna fill in these yellow stripes. I'm just showing you where they are. And then we'll fill in this jersey with black. Once again, we're doing the college uniform, the Iowa Hawkeyes, where she made so many cool plays and set records, and people really started to understand the buzz behind Caitlin Clark and frankly women's basketball. So there we go. We're gonna fill those in. We'll do a little stripe on the shoe to add a little color. We'll fill in those with yellow in a minute. That'll be orange. We'll do kind of dark brown, black hair, flesh color, and we will have Caitlin Clark of the Iowa Hawkeyes. She's now a professional basketball player in the WNBA, so don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and let us know who we should draw next. Fast forward now.